In this video, we're focusing on getting value from your drilling operations. 3 basic things separate one drill from another: material, coating, and geometry. Let's start with the material your drill is made from. High-speed steel is the most basic, least expensive general-purpose drill material. It's very forgiving in drill press and hand drilling operations, and they can be resharpened to extend their life. Next is high-speed steel with cobalt added, which holds up better than generic high-speed steel. Cobalt gives high-speed steel more heat and wear resistance, and these drills can still be easily resharpened, similar to high-speed steel. Carbide is the most expensive but longest-lasting drill material. There are different grades, with the most expensive drills usually giving the best heat and chip resistance. Carbide also allows for coolant through holes to be added to the drill. These through-tool drills are primarily for deeper holes and tough-to-drill materials, where the high-pressure coolant flowing to the tool flushes chips out much better, keeps the cutting zone cooler, and provides extra lubrication to prevent wear. While all these drills will cut a hole in most materials, the carbide drills will outlive cobalt by a factor of 10 or 20 times in a rigid CNC machine. In other words, if a cobalt drill will cut 100 holes, the carbide drill will cut 1,000 or 2,000 holes before needing to be resharpened. Here in the factory, with a properly dialed in drilling op, we have examples where we're getting 5,000 plus holes in cast iron from just one drill. All that said, a carbide drill can easily cost 10 times more than a cobalt drill, so the investment is a lot higher. Despite the high price, the cost per hole when using carbide will usually be the lowest, since it can produce so many more holes. Also, because carbide is typically capable of running 3 to 5 times faster, the decreased cycle time to produce those holes goes right to your bottom line.